Hey guys, today let's learn how to find out who shared your reels on Instagram. So if you want to go ahead and find out those people who shared your specific reels on Instagram in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to locate where this is step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application, and I want you to go ahead and log on to your preferred account. Now once we're already here, let's go on over onto our reels option to locate our reels, and you should see the option to basically view the number of shares that you have on your reels. Now as of the current update, this is the only specific thing that we could actually view, or the specific metric that we could actually view about our shares on our reels. As you see, we only have one share on this specific reel, 2 shares on this one. Well, that's the most that we could actually do to view those who shared our reels. We could only view the number of people who shared our reels, but not necessarily the exact profile of who shared our reel. Now, that is a current limitation, and if you want to go ahead and have the feature to view who shared your reels, well, that may be an update coming in the next update of Instagram. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.